Hey guys, welcome back to Saturday Blaze. Today I'm gonna tell you how to make your bolt action rifle a neon green one because this doesn't look cool. So in order to do this, you need the bounty hunter variant of the bolt action rifle, and also as you can see, this is after the new update. This is after the natureless DLC, so it works 100%. Just you have to go to the variants, select the bounty hunter variant, go back again, select the gun, go to variants, just do this, just go back, press back again, and there you go. Just have to spam select. If you are doing it on a controller, just spam A. If you are doing it on your keyboard, just spam enter, and it works. As you can see, I have the bolt action rifle in neon green color, and it looks cool. So that's it guys, see you in the next video.